Same-day dentistry at Exceptional Smiles really means the ability to restore a broken tooth or teeth in one visit. You come in and it's done. The quality is never compromised. In a situation where same-day dentistry is not indicated for the procedure that we're doing, you would have a temporary for that procedure for that day, but I would rather have the temporary on for a short bit of time than compromise the outcome. Same-day dentistry is appropriate when the tooth dictates it. We don't rubber stamp treatment here. It's customized to your situation, whether it's with a same-day crown or a filling or a laser treatment or a periodontal treatment. If it's something that we can do that day when you're in the chair, that's the best time to do it. The typical scenario that we see at Exceptional Smiles is they go out to eat and part of the tooth chips out. They come in, we evaluate it, take an x-ray, we make sure everything looks good underneath it. We'll go ahead and get the tooth cleaned up, get it prepared, we'll scan it, we'll design it, we'll mill it, and we'll place it that same day. We actually have not only 2 different mill systems, but we have 3 different design softwares. There's a tool that's appropriate for the job that's at hand. And knowing what tool to use, that's where I feel our advantage is. We've invested in the technology to allow us to provide that same-day care that's appropriate for you. One of the things that our patients have remarked about when they've had that same-day service is, wow, I can't believe that I was able to get my tooth that same day. They're amazed by it. Number 1, they don't have to come back. 2, they don't have to get another shot. 3, they don't have to take another day off of work. 4, they don't have to drive in again. Number 5, there's no temporary. They can go about their day eating whatever they want that night. You can go back to brushing and flossing the same way you did before. Many of our patients at Exceptional Smiles have either retainers or night guards. We want to make sure that that filling or that crown actually fits back into the appliance that they've been using. At Exceptional Smiles, we make that appointment about you, not about us. So whatever works best for you, that's what we'll be doing.